I've got the hang of those quadratic equations now. I can multiply a bracket by a bracket and factorize too.
You what? I can't even remember what a quadratic equation is. Nightmare!
They're not so bad. Quadratic just means there's an x squared in it. Remember those questions we did? You get x plus something in a bracket, and you multiply it by x plus something in another bracket.
Oh yeah, that sounds familiar. We used the grid method, didn't we?
That's right. And because we multiplied two things by two things, there were 4 bits of an answer.
But the two x terms combined, so there are only 3 terms in the final answer.
See, you do remember. Great.
I still can't factorize.
It's harder, but just remember it's the inverse of bracket times bracket. That helps a lot.
So the x squared comes from multiplying an x in the first bracket with an x in the second bracket. That makes sense. And the number at the end must be the product of the numbers in the brackets?
That's right. So, can you remember how to work out where the x term comes from?
Not a clue. I know it's from the 2 separate x terms though. Hang on, don't you just add them?
Well done, you do. So the number in front of the x is the sum of the numbers in the brackets, and the number at the end is their product.
That doesn't sound as hard as I thought. Phew!
Ready for the next stage then?
No way!
Go on, I'll help you. It's only a little bit harder. We'll just have a number in front of the x squared as well.
Where does that come from?
Well, let's look at 2x squared to start with. To get that there must have been an x in one bracket and 2x in the other.
That's easy then. I can do that.
Hang on a minute, there's a little bit more to it. The number at the end is still the product of the 2 numbers in the brackets, but the number in front of the x is now what you get by adding one of the numbers to 2 of the other number.
Why is it so complicated? I'll never get the hang of it. May as well just give up now.
Or you could have a go at this question to show you how it works.
Just one question. You really think that'll help? Go on then.
What do you get if you multiply 2x add 3 by x add 5?
2x times x will be 2x squared. That bit's okay. 3 times 5 is 15, so that'll be at the end. Now I just have to figure out the 2x terms. 2x times 5 will be 10x, and 3 times x is just 3x. 10x and 3x makes 13x. Is that it?
It is. What's your answer altogether?
I suppose it's 2x squared plus 13x plus 15.
Well done. So what if I asked you to factorize 2x squared plus 13x plus 15?
I know to start with 2x in one bracket and x in another one. I know there had to be a 1 and a 15, or a 3 and a 5, because there are only 2 numbers you can multiply to make 15. Then I just need to know about which pair could give me 13. Hang on, 2 5s and a 3. That's it. How do I know which number goes in which bracket?
If you need 2 5s, the 2x won't be in the same bracket as the 5, or you wouldn't end up multiplying them.
That's starting to make sense. Maybe I'm going to be okay at this. Let's try another one.
How about 2x squared plus 7x plus 5?
Right, so I know there's a 2x and an x. There must be a 5 and a 1 too, because I know there's only one way to make 5.
That's right, 5 is a prime number. That helps.
And 7x must be 2 1s and 1 5. What did that mean again?
It means the 1 and the 2x can't be in the same bracket.
Right, so it's 2x plus 5 times x plus 1. Got it.
Created using Powtoon.